I'm going to show you how to do an absolutely killer prediction. And I'm telling you guys, this never fails. So I'm going to show Mandy how to do an absolutely killer prediction that works every single time. Mandy, I've got 2 cards from a blue deck. And I also have a red deck of cards. You're going to make all of the choices here. So what I want you to do, you're going to take the cards and deal them face down onto the table. And you can stop anytime you want to. Just deal them face down onto the table. Wherever you stop, we're going to put this card in to mark the position. You sure you want them there?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Put the rest on top. Excellent. Square them up. Pick them up. And deal face down. Keep dealing. Go, 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 go. And obviously, anytime you want to, just stop. And wherever you stop, we'll put this one back. Perfect. Put that on top. Now, you made all of the choices there. We put those 2 blue cards into 2 different positions, right there and right there. If you'd have waited a bit, they would have been further up there or further down there. These choices were made by you. You put this one next to this card, and you put this one next to this card. Let me show you what these cards were from the very beginning. I actually predicted the Jack of Hearts, and I predicted the 7 of Spades. What's interesting is you put the Jack of Hearts right next to the Jack of Hearts in the red deck. You put the 7 of Spades right next to the 7 of Spades from the red deck. But you know what's really crazy, Mandy? I understand how that works. I don't understand how this works. You see, every other card in the pack is blank, and the only cards that are printed are the ones that you found. That wasn't me, that was you. It was all you. Now, before we begin, you are going to need a blank deck of cards for this. So in the link in the description is going to take you to where you can buy a blank deck of cards from Penguin Magic. Once you've got the blank deck of cards, follow along with me. So you have your blank deck of cards, and all you're going to do is you're going to take 2 printed cards that match the back design of the blank deck. So because I've got red back bicycle cards, I'm using red back bicycle cards that I got from a deck. You're going to put one on top and you're going to put one on the bottom. Okay. Now this is called Gemini Twins. It's an amazing prediction. You're going to take 2 other cards. Now I'm using cards from a blue deck, but it can be any deck that you want to. Whatever the card is that's on the bottom of the red deck, that's going to be on the top of these 2 cards. So you can have these in your pocket or wherever you want to have them. When you want to do the trick, you bring them out, you put them on the table. So you're going to take the cards, tell the spectator to keep them face down, and deal them onto the table and stop whenever they want to. Now, it makes no difference, but think about this. The first card that's going down is that 7. But they can stop anytime they want. It is a completely and totally free choice. Let's say they stop there. Wherever they stop, you're going to take this first card and put it where they stop. So in this case, the Jack. The cool thing is, remember, the bottom card of the deck is the Jack. So you're putting a Jack right next to a Jack. Boom. But the other thing is, because you dealt the Jack, because you dealt the 7 of Spades first, the bottom card of the deck is now the 7 of Spades. So when they start dealing again, you just have them say stop. And wherever they stop, wherever at all, let's say they stop there, you're going to put this card, the 7 of Spades, and then this is going right next to it. So when you spread the cards out and you show them the 2 blue cards in the deck, and you say you put your card right, you decided to put this blue card right next to that card, that's actually a lie. They put it right next to the one to the left of it, but nobody realizes. So you just take out the blue card and the one to the right of it. You take the blue card out and the one to the right of it, and you put them there. Now you gather the rest of the cards up, and you say to them, let's have a look at the 2 blue cards and that you chose to put in that place. And you turn this one over, it's the Jack of Hearts. You turn this one over, it's the 7 of Spades. This is the cool part. You're done. You just turn over this card, it's the Jack of Hearts, 100% correct. You turn over this one, it's the 7 of Spades, 100% correct. And then you turn all these cards over, and they're all blank and everything's examinable. One other thing, if you haven't got a blank deck, you can still do this trick. You can do it with a normal pack of cards. The only thing that misses out is that the cards aren't blank at the end, but you've still got these two really good predictions. So you can do it with just these two predictions, or if you want to get a blank deck from Penguin Magic, you can do so. Now, if you want to see more tutorials like this, we upload them all of the time. All you have to do is subscribe to the Penguin Magic YouTube channel. Just click subscribe and then click the bell. That way you're going to be notified when new videos go live. And if you get time, have a look through the archives, because there's a ton of videos on here already, and you're going to learn some amazing magic. I'll see you again. Thanks for watching. My name's Craig, right here at the Penguin Magic Studios.